Everyone, good morning. Can you all hear me?
Good morning. Like, few of students are facing issue with the link. Just allow some more time.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Hope you have shared the updated
Thank
link
you.
with them.
Yes. I'm checking once again. Few are able to join with the same link, and few are not.
Okay,
I'm going to do cross check and
yeah, no problem.
give me 5 minutes, sir.
Sure, yes. Venkatesh, let me know once we are ready to start. Venkatesh, are we good to start? Should we wait for a few more minutes? Can't hear you, Venkatesh, if you're speaking. Okay, cool. Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the last minute change due to a conflict in my schedule. Today, I would like to take you through this analytics training program and how it can help you to get a job. Okay, so that's the idea of this particular session. We'll create awareness about the data analytics and using Excel, how you can get into the data analytics roles. Not only that, we have a program called Analytics Power Pack. A few may be interested in joining that course. Okay, so we have created these courses in line with the industry requirements. So that's the reason we are also offering this as a job guarantee program, in which you will be trained on certain tools, okay, that are needed to perform any kind of data analyst roles, okay. And we'll also send you to different interviews and we take care of your placement. Okay, so that is the whole objective of this job guarantee program. So with that, let me introduce our company, Excelytics Private Limited. We are into different trainings, especially the data analytics trainings. Along with that, we also have business and analyst training and ERP solutions. It's been good 8+ years. We are into trainings and delivering different solutions to the companies, individuals, students, and all colleges, corporate clients. We are Microsoft authorized test center in Hyderabad. We have trained a good number of professionals so far, students and working professionals as well. Our LinkedIn network is so strong with 30,000 connections and trained about 20,000 professionals and facilitated 5,000 plus Microsoft certifications. Our entire team is Microsoft certified professionals. We are ISO certified, training company. Why we recommend people to get into the data analytics roles? Because data analytics is universal. There is no limit. Okay, it is not limited to a particular domain. It is everywhere. This particular thing is everywhere. So even if you look at the current jobs availability, data analytics are, the roles are the ones you see more number of roles in data analytics. Because if you look at the kind of things that are happening around, companies have a lot of data now. Now what they need to do is they need to analyze the data using different tools. Yeah. So how this thing happened? Very simple. You see, you should understand the shift happening from 1980s, I should say. 1980s, 90s up to 2000, there was a lot of boom for software development, because that's when the computers, mid of 1980s, 1985, that's when we started developing the computers. That's when the hardware manufacturing, all that stuff was in boom. After that, 5 years, software got into the boom, like 90s and 2000. You would have heard something like, software was in boom because every company was trying to create an application for them. And that's when a lot of demand for the software engineers. That was there for about 15 to 20 years. And after that, once the softwares are designed, then companies started capturing data, right? So that's when there was a lot of demand for the data storage devices and the data transformation applications like Informatica. There are Cognos, there are a few data warehousing tools, using which companies started storing the data. So that happened for about 10 to 12 years. Once companies started capturing the data, now you see this one from last 2010 and 20, these 2 decades. If you observe, once companies have started capturing so much of data, now the next step, if they simply keep the data there in the data warehouses, it doesn't make sense. What is it they need to do? They need to start analyzing it. What's happening around, right, in their company? Where are they making good profits? Where are they making losses, right? They should understand all those things. So using these different reporting tools, they have started analyzing it. And there are a good number of reporting tools available in the market. But one of those very common tools that is available in the market is Excel, right? Whether you you go to a multi-billion company or a small company, the common tool for data analysis, what they use is Excel. And we all know that. A few of you would have worked earlier, a few of you may be freshers looking to join a company now. Okay. So all these things, all these companies, they do their data analysis using Excel. Okay. So you may want to upskill to Power BI, Tableau, or many other tools are there. But yeah, for this particular session, I'll take you through why Excel and what all you can do with Excel and how it'll help you to get you a job. Okay. All right. So the different services that we are offering here. One is the certification, certifications, consulting solutions, and the very first thing is courses offered. Different courses we are offering, and majority of them are related to the data or data analytics. Okay, so this is our strength. And as I mentioned, we are Microsoft Authorized Test Center. We can offer different certifications in Word, Excel, PowerPoint. We also have a customized course called Weapon, in which you will be learning Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Outlook, and networking soft skills. So that is our customized course. We also have Analytics Power Pack. If you want to become a data analyst, this is the right course for you. And yeah, so different other certifications we have. Okay. A good number of things are there to talk about us and the different courses that we offer, and yeah, the clients that we have. And this list is too big, and we were able to accommodate only a few here. The corporate clients and the college clients. Okay, so I'll quickly introduce myself as well. I'm Kishore. It's been good 14 plus years. I'm into this reporting, analytics, business intelligence, and robotic process automations. And I've worked with a good number of companies. I'm a working professional. Currently working on US healthcare projects. I'm helping them figuring out their revenues and how they can improve the revenues and all. That's my current role. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, Microsoft certified professional, Deloitte faculty excellence certified, Six Sigma certified, QMS internal auditor certified by ISO. I'm Excel expert certified, Access certified, Word certified, PowerPoint and Outlook certified by Microsoft. This is my skill, and I'm the founder and CEO of Team Excelytics Private Limited. Maybe after looking at all these programming languages and applications, data analysis tools and all, don't think that, I'm from technical background. I'm non-technical background, bachelor's degree in commerce, BCom, and MBA finance. So that's my education background. As I mentioned, I'm a working professional currently associated with Quadratics as a senior consultant in data analytics. That's what I'm currently doing. So this is briefly about me. I just wanted to tell you this one because I see a few of you are from non-technical background and thinking maybe a doubt running in your mind. I'm from non-technical background, and is this the right course for me, or can I crack a job? Right? You may be getting that kind of a question there. So basically, you no need to worry about that one. It's it's like very easy, I would say, because data analytics is an area which is very generic. Anyone can get into that. The only one thing that companies expect from us is the right skill. They don't really care whether you're from BCom background, BA background, as long as you have the right skill. Okay. So in this particular program, we want to highlight, first of all, why you should learn Excel and what kind of job opportunities you can get. Okay, so let me open our Analytics Power Pack. I'll give you a complete picture of what is this Analytics Power Pack, but most of you are, I think, looking for Excel-based roles. I'll also explain that one, Excel-based roles, how they would be. But if anyone is interested to learn this Analytics Power Pack, right, this is a comprehensive package that covers right from the beginning of the data management using Excel, and it goes up to Power BI. So it starts with advanced Excel, SQL, Power BI, along with placement assistance. But I think if you're looking for only advanced Excel roles, probably you can restrict yourself to only this point. I think a couple of candidates are there in this particular, a couple of participants are there in this particular session. They may be interested in learning the full package, right? I'll tell you the difference also, what all you need to learn if you want to become a data analyst, and what all you need to learn if you want to become MIS analyst or MIS executive. Okay, so Analytics Power Pack is is there to, it will make you a data analyst. But if you are looking for only one thing, that is advanced Excel, then definitely you can target MIS executive, MIS analyst, or reporting analyst, okay, or MIS associate, something like that. The designations would be like that. But if you learn the full package, then data analyst, right? Uh, Something like senior data analyst, these kind of different roles are there with this entire package. But let us focus more on advanced Excel. Okay, so what all you will be learning in this Excel training program, and why do I need to learn this one, right? What kind of job opportunities would be there? So let me do one thing. I'll just quickly go to Google. Okay, I'll say that advanced Excel jobs in Hyderabad. Yeah, just randomly typing something. Okay, MS Excel, Sripada, something, urgently required, blah, blah, blah. I'll just go to some random link. Okay, I don't even know where this is being offered, but you see that when we say Excel, it says usually MIS, work in interview for MIS, right? Associate analyst, right? Something like that. And they require a lot of Excel skill, right? Team manager, MIS, it's in Cognizant, right? Of course, the salaries for few things, it's not disclosed, but when, Ventura Securities, and they are looking for MIS executive with a skill like, an advanced Excel with a 2.25 minimum that ranges from, for a fresher, 2.25, and it can go up to 6 lakhs, depends on your skill set and as well as your experience. Okay. So this is also showing around 1.75, which is like 15,000 per month, and this can also go up to this, right? They are also looking for advanced Excel. So you see this one, a good number of things are there as MIS executives and all. Package is also reasonable. I don't say it is great package, but definitely it is a reasonable package for a fresher, or maybe someone who is with 1 to 2 years of experience. Rather being into an operations role, it's good to be into MIS or data analyst role, so that their career progress would be much more faster than any other profile. You may be entering into a non-voice profile or a voice profile, wherein getting a good salary after a couple of years is really difficult. But when it comes to data related roles, and it's going to be really easy, okay, in terms of the package, how to get it right. What I wanted to show you from this example is, you don't even need to go outside Hyderabad. If you're from Hyderabad, HGS, you would have heard this one, Hinduja Global Solutions, Cognizant. Okay, you see this one. Most of the companies, Real Page, right? They're looking for Excel, SQL, VBA macros. Of course, this kind of a role is, it offers really a great package, because they are expecting SQL, VBA, and macros. And definitely, if it is a 2 to 5 years role, then I would say the minimum package would start around 5 lakh. Okay, see, it's very simple. The more you learn, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. So MS executive, MS, right? Data analyst, but they're also. Any question is there? Okay. All right. So what I'm trying to tell you is, just with Excel, with good knowledge on all these formulas, right? Like 100% different, 100 plus different Excel formulas, formatting techniques, and different kind of things, right? We learn all these things with this course itself, basics to advanced Excel itself. You will be learning a good number of things, and a good number of positions are available. Okay. So what are we train in advanced Excel? Let's take a look at that one, right? Whatever these companies are looking for, they're already there. Let me show you that. Just a second. Okay. So we learn right from the basics of Excel, what is Excel, basic Excel features and all, and then we'll move on to the advanced Excel, wherein we discuss the formulas, whatever the formulas they are looking for. A few companies are asking, you see this one, the package somewhere I've seen here, You see this one, they're asking for, 1 to 6 years, and they're randomly kept some salary there, 50,000 to 3 lakh per annum, right? They're looking for VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, right? These kind of things, like just not VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, there are like so many other formulas also we'll learn. But for a MIS executive, a few things are enough, but we don't leave it there, because we want you to be settling down in a data analyst role. If you want to target data analyst role, the first step anyway is learning advanced Excel only, right? But a few of you may be interested in directly going to a job just by learning only Excel. So you can definitely get an MIS executive kind of a role. And the things that we discuss, in this particular training program, in advanced Excel training program, it's like far way ahead from the company's expectations, right? If you can talk about all these things in your interview, then I'm very much sure there is no way that you can get rejected, because all these companies, they look for this kind of a skill. Okay. And this is a 30 hours training program, advanced Excel. Okay, we cover everything. And once you learn this one, instead of settling down in any other role like an operations role or a sales role, wherein you would need to struggle a lot to earn a good salary, especially in the something like a non-voice role, like a data entry role, right? So it's like really difficult to get a good package there, but with your Excel skills, you can easily get a good package. You see this one, these guys are looking for 4 to 9 years, and you look at the package, it's like 20 lakh package. But no, there is a no additional skill also needed, like SQL, US real estate, domain knowledge, valuation, accounting. But you see this one, advanced Excel is also there. So it's up to you, like if you are willing to get into this data executive, MIS executive roles, Excel should be fine. You see this one everywhere, advanced Excel. Okay. All right. So packages are also not bad. You see this one, 2 to 4 lakh. For a fresher, 2 lakh or 3 lakh is great. Definitely great. Touch mobiles, MIS executives, advanced Excel, right? MIS preparation, right? So positions are there. It's just that you need to be ready with your skill, right? And you see this one, the moment you see the package like 812, along with advanced Excel, the other few things are also coming like SQL and Power BI. That is what I'm talking about as part of our analytics power pack. That's what we are trying to cover. If you want to target more and more package, then you will have to learn more and more things, right? If you are happy with the 3 lakh package, or 2 to 3 lakh range package, then my recommendation would be go with basics to advanced Excel. That's enough. And the other thing is that a few companies, they also ask for graduation as the benchmark. Okay, something like if you want to get into a data analyst role. Okay, but if you want to become an MIS executive, it is easy to become an MIS executive even if you do not have a graduation. That is okay. Why? Because there are a few companies, there is no stress on the graduation. It's just like they need to get a person who is good with these things. We look up pivots. Okay, all these things anyways covered in our advanced Excel training program. And a few companies, I've just randomly opened one, and let's see if they have any education related one. So they are saying, they're looking for, they didn't mention any education actually. It's like grayed out. I'm just trying to understand if they have any education related things, because I got to know that a few of the participants in this group are like done with intermediate and looking for a job. What I'm trying to tell you is that there are a few companies, they don't have any restrictions in terms of the education qualification, and they can anyone can join their company just with the right skill. That's it. Okay, that's what I'm trying to find there. Okay, so advanced Excel course, which is a 30 hours training program, 30. We cover everything that is needed for the data analysis and the MIS. MIS stands for Management Information Systems. like every company usually stores a lot of data, and as an MIS executive, what you would need to do is you would be in a position to analyze the data and let your management know that, okay, this is what happening in your company. Okay, so that's what you should be able to do, right? And other thing is that as an MIS analyst, we usually get the recurring task like every day, daily reports, right? Weekly reports, fortnightly reports, monthly reports, all those kind of things. So that's our role. So the reporting formats are predefined. It's just that we first, we first design the reporting formats, and then we start using those reporting formats on daily, weekly, monthly basis. MIS executive role is comparatively easier than a data analyst role. So if you remember, the data analyst roles, they offer more salary. That's what we have seen, right? But MIS analyst roles are like little less. Okay, in terms of the package, they are little less. But when it comes to the data analyst roles, they are like great. You would have seen that one like starting from 4 lakh, 5 lakh. Is that clear? Right. Up to this point, any question? Any questions, anyone? Okay, excellent. All right. So I will learn this course, okay, this advanced Excel course. And now you tell me, how am I going to get placed? You get this question, right? Here we go. This particular program, as we discussed, I think Venkatesh sir would have told you this one already, that it's a job guarantee program we're offering. And this course fee is 5,000. Okay, this course fee is 5,000. And if you are willing to register for job guarantee program, then you will have to make a 5,000 as a registration charges. Okay, total 10,000, in which you will be getting the course, plus our team will take care of your resume creation. Okay, you will have to prepare your the draft copy of the resume, and then okay, and then our team will help you to fine tune your resume by providing the samples. Okay, and with that one, you will first of all get a right resume in your hands. And then what you can do is you would be given steps to how to apply, where to apply, all those things our team will take care. And we will also get the direct calls from the companies for the MIS executive roles, because we have been into the market and we have a great network with multiple companies, right? So we will be sharing your profiles with those companies, and you know we will send you a profile there. And before sending you there, we also get to know like what kind of things that you need to practice and be ready for that interview, and we'll let you know all those things. Okay, so once you are placed, okay, once you are placed, then you will have to make a 10,000 payment. Okay, once you are placed, it's not before. Okay, once you are placed, once you get the offer letter, and then you will have to make the 10,000. Okay, so this is a job guarantee program. We are taking care of your training plus, and we are also taking care of your job. Okay, there you get a question like, how long do I need to wait, right? So here we go. Usually 1 month is the course duration. This advanced Excel course is 1 month, and then you have to at least attend a good number of interviews, and for that one we would assume around 1 month more time is needed for us to place you into a job. At least 2 months you will have to keep in your mind, and for those 2 months you will have to regularly practice class, and you will be attending interviews from us. We'll be sending you, and it may not be possible for everyone to crack the very first interview. A few of you may fail in the 1 or 2 interviews initially, but once you get that one, I mean, once you join that, once you have that experience of attending the interviews and what kind of questions you are getting, basis on that you will have some idea, right? And after that it is easy for you to crack the interview, right? Anyways, we'll also let you know what all you would need to be prepared and ready, and our team will take care of you to about the topics that you need to be ready with, and those kind of what kind of questions you get during the interview, and our team will share all those things with you. Okay. All right. So it is a job guarantee program, advanced Excel class job registration, and placing you into a job. We'll be doing all these things for you. Okay. Any questions on the fee details and the duration? Are we good? Okay. Okay. What is basic Excel? We usually cover this one in our Excel sessions, but let me tell you one thing. What people usually think is basic Excel is the one that we frequently use. Like different features are like saving, printing, copy pasting, sum formula, average formula, counting. These are the things considered as basic Excel. But once you join Excelytics course, you will understand in detail, okay, about what is basic, what is advanced, because we see Excel in a little different way, right? But getting a job using basic Excel may not be okay, may not be possible, because uh, in the market there are so many people with this basic Excel skill. Everyone says like, okay, I know basic Excel, but for the companies, it's not enough. Okay, basic Excel is not enough. Okay, you will have to be ready with advanced Excel. Then only there are possibilities of getting a job. Okay. So coming to the topics of basic Excel, we discussed what is Excel, how it looks, what is the history of Excel, and what kind of extensions are there. Different things are there as part of the basic Excel we discussed. But this is not enough to get a job. If you say simply, I know I'm good with basic Excel, companies may not consider that. Okay. Okay, so usually this Excel program is just like a 1 month program, and we are not offering any installment payments for that one, because it's a very less fee compared to other packages. Okay, other packages are around 25,000 and 15,000, 12,000, and for which we are offering two installments. First installment, something like if it is a 15,001, first installment should be 10,000 and the next installment should be 5,000. And when it comes to Excel, we are not offering any installments because the fee itself, we have we have kept it very less for this 1 month training program. So that's the reason installments are not allowed. But maybe at the time of joining the session, just check with the front office. There is any other thing they can do, maybe while you want to do any certification, Microsoft certification and all. If they, if there is any possibility, they will consider that point and they will let you know what best they can do. But as of now, installments, I cannot guarantee. This course offline or online, yeah, currently we are offering both online offline sessions, both of them. Okay, either you can come down to our location and you can join the sessions, or you can also directly use Zoom. As of now, whatever the way you have joined now, there's the same thing. You can join using your mobile or laptop. Okay, we are offering both online offline sessions. What is the location of offline classes? Okay, good one. So we are located in 4 places. Amirpet, KPHB, Chikatpalli, and Osmani University. Inside Osmani University. Okay. So inside Osmani University, currently we are not, offering any sessions there because our sessions only the orientation sessions and workshops and all we conduct there. But other 3 locations like Amirpet, KPHB, Chikatpalli, we, we run the sessions. Weekday sessions, weekend sessions. If it is weekday, Monday to Friday, morning time, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. If it is weekend, then it is, either 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock in the morning time or 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the afternoon time. But weekend batches, we run only Saturday and Sunday. Weekday batches, we run from Monday to Friday. Okay, if you have free time on daily basis, then my recommendation for you would be to join the weekday sessions, either morning time or evening time. Morning time 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Evening time either 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 or 8 to 9. Different sessions are there. Depending on your availability and your convenience, you can either attend online or offline. If it is offline, you can choose any of these locations like KPHP, Chikatpalli, and Amirpet. You can join the sessions. The same sessions you can join online as well. Any other questions? Okay. Are you, will you be the one who give these sessions offline? Okay, it depends. It depends. Like as per my availability, and my team is there, and my team is also like good at delivering the sessions. Each one of our team members have at least a good 10 plus years of experience in this domain of offering these reporting and analytics training programs, especially advanced Excel and Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and all. So it depends. I cannot guarantee that, because it depends on what kind of or which session you take. So based on that, I may be available, or otherwise my team members would be available. But what we can guarantee is that either I take the session or my team members take the session. It's going to be the same subject, same content, and with good number of examples, real-time examples, and the real-time projects would be included in your advanced Excel training program. And when it comes to the real-time projects, and there are a few the trainers, we take care of those real-time projects. You may be taking the training from any of our trainers, but when it comes to the real-time projects, either a couple of other trainers or I personally conduct that training. Okay. Okay, there is a question about the fee structure as well. Coming to the fee, Excel is 5,000. Okay. If you want to just simply learn the course and you want to just go ahead and apply your own and you want to crack the interview, great, go ahead. But if you want to register with us for the job guarantee program, then Excel fee is 5,000 plus 5,000 more for the job guarantee registration you will have to pay. So that means you will have to pay 10,000. Okay. This 10,000, if you are looking for the job guarantee program, first of all, you will have to make the 5,000 and you will be getting a 1 week's time, because by the time you will understand, if you would like to go for the job guarantee program as well, then after 1 week, you will have to make the rest of the 5,000. So 5 plus 5, you would be paying 10,000, in which you will be getting the course, advanced Excel course, plus this job guarantee registration, in which what we will do is we prepare your resume. Okay. We'll train you on what all you need to be ready with before attending the interview. Okay. All those things we take care. Once you are placed, once you get the offer letter, then you will have to pay 10,000. Okay. So that one you will have to make the payment only once you get the offer letter, not well in advance. We are not charging anything, okay, before you getting the job. Only once you get the job. Is that clear? But that 10,000 should be paid in one go. Yeah, total 20,000. However, this 20,000 is not in one go, right? So 5,000 for Excel, 5,000 for the registration, and once you get a job, and the job also you would get around the minimum package you have seen around 20,000. 15 to 20,000. Okay, but usually, job guarantee ones, consulting firms, what they do, they do not provide any training. But what they simply say is that they send you to an interview, and if you crack it, they charge you 1 month salary. Let's say if you get a 2.4 package, they charge you 1 month's salary, which is 20,000, but in which they would be just only sending you for the interviews, and your after that it's your responsibility to crack that interview and get the job. And for that arrangement, they take 1 month salary, right? They charge 1 month salary. But we are not doing in that way. We are training you. We are going to take care of your resume. And also we send you to the different interviews. Okay. And by preparing you, right? And to crack the interview. Registration fee only for one course. The job guarantee program registration fee is common for all. Okay, but if you are looking for Analytics Power Pack job guarantee program, currently I'm talking about only advanced Excel job guarantee program. Analytics, Power Pack job guarantee program. First of all, you will have to learn this entire Analytics Power Pack. Nothing but you will be learning Excel, SQL, Power BI, and in which you will be getting this placement assistance program. And this entire package is 25,000. And this, you will also get a Microsoft Excel certification. As of now, that is also inclusive of this package of 25,000. But this is a 2.5 month program. Almost it goes up to 3 months. 3 months, 80 hours training. Okay. You will be going through all these different training programs, and you will also attend the Microsoft Excel certification. Once that is done, We will be sending you for the interviews by preparing your resume. And once you are placed, okay, so to do that one, the registration fee is there. Registration fee is 5,000. It is a common fee. And then you have to, once you get the job, then you will have to make 20,000 payment. Overall, you would be paying 50,000, but look at the packages as a data analyst, if you could crack it, and we do our background work to, to make you sit in a data analyst role. We'll be doing all that background work for you, preparing your resume and preparing you for the interview and all that. Our team will take care of all that process. But only once you get the job, you will have to make a 20,000 payment. And, overall, if you see course payment 25,000, 5,000 is the registration fee. 20,000 once you get the job. Overall, you would be paying 50,000. But you look at the packages companies offer, at least we have seen around 5 to 6 lakh with all these skills, right? So it's more like maybe a 1 month salary. Okay. If you go for Excel, is also a 2.4, which is almost equivalent to a 1 month salary. And if it is a data analyst role using analytics 4 pack as the course, that is also almost like 1 month salary. But this is not simply we are charging. We are investing a lot of time in you. And we will be helping you to fine tune your resume and be prepared with the technical skills and all. We are taking care of all those things and then we are doing, right? Okay, any questions? Okay, I see the responses in the chat. Get back to you once I prepare myself to attend the job guarantee course. Okay, prepare yourself maybe in terms of arranging the money and joining the course. Yeah, maybe. But understand one thing. Choosing a data related profile is a great option, I would say, instead of being into an operations guy, something like a non-voice or voice operations or data entry operations. My recommendation would be try to get into a data analysis or MIS, executive role. And that will definitely speed up your, your career growth. And it's like, it's really useful for all of you. And it will help you to, get a job easily, because a good number of opportunities are available in the market and packages are also really nice. Okay, no doubt about it. And it's only one thing is that you need to take a call whether you want to get into this one or not. Okay, but from our side, I can tell you one thing, being into the real time for last 14 plus years, as a team we could figure out what is needed, okay, for any business. And after that, we have designed these programs. Age limit, yeah, definitely, it's a good question. Age limit is, if someone is passed out of at least 2018, 2019, to some extent 2017, 16 is also okay. But anyone pass out is like 2014 and all, then it's like really difficult, to offer this job guarantee program. Because companies also, they think about the age and other few things, right? Maybe 2018, at least last 4 years, 5 years to some extent, maximum, we can enroll you for this program. Okay, I see the responses there, and yeah, looks like I was able to answer your questions. Get in touch with Venkatesh, sir, if you need any additional information, and if you require any front office support, something for the registration, you can also reach out to us. And I wish you all the best. I'm very much confident that good number of positions are available. Its only thing is that just be ready with the required technologies and required tools, and it's easy to crack a job. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, I'm pretty much done. Okay, cool then. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining in today. And I'll see you all soon in our sessions. Thank you. Thank you, Venkatesh, for arranging this. Venkatesh, shall we end this session? You have any questions, or participants have any questions? So for some reason, I'm not able to hear you. Hello. Use the chat window, please. Not able to hear you. Okay, perfect then. So thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you all soon. Thank you. Bye.